How to create an AI image in Capcut Pro. So simply open your Capcut project and also make sure you have the Capcut Pro subscription. Once you are here on the left, go to Media, and here in your import section down here you will find AI Media. So simply click this option. And now on the left, make sure to click AI image, and here you can describe your image. So for example, dark fog city, lonely person, raining, and city lights. Here you can select the model which you want. I got the image 4:0, and then select the aspect ratio. So I'm gonna select this one, and now click generate. Now wait until it's done, and this is the result. It will create more than one image and you can choose from them, and also down here you can modify it, or if you are not satisfied you can click regenerate. So if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and see you next time.